good. Yo, I never expected to get respected like this. Never thought I'd get accepted, something as epic as this. Get as much credit as this, have a message, spread it like this. Yeah, you heard that before, but no one said it like this. Yo, I was raised in a family where normal didn't exist. I woke up in the morning, whole family were throwing fists. Mom and dad are pissed, but Annie acting a fool again. Gotta rent another motel, fuck it, they calling the school again. Finally got to the point, I was like, fuck it, so drinking too. I guess at the time, I wasn't thinking shit through. Like when I grow up, I wanna be a piece of shit too. Look at me now, damn, I guess dreams really come true. But what are you supposed to do when rent is fucking due? $1 to your name, richest dude in the crew. A hard pill to swallow, but you can try to chew. The fact you fail at every single thing you try to do. I was 16 at the time. Shit, could you imagine being so young and having all that shit happen? Turn around, start rapping, open your eyes, see people clapping. Same ones cheering you on as the ones who were laughing. Shit, back in the day, I couldn't afford a meal. Now let's face it, I'm kind of a big deal. They ask me how to feel, I say it feel great. Finally got some dignity and I got food on my plate. Holding down my home state, 918 till the death of me. Headed to the top of the Arvin gang, going next to me. Put Tulsa on my shoulders like a motherfucking backpack. Do more for the city than rock a fucking snapback. Pay all the cash back, unlike these other rap cats. Feeding for the cheese like a motherfucking lab rat. You, sir, are something to laugh at. I'm a hometown hero, hundreds of people to back that. And it's all cause the fact that put my life on the line, and I know it's cause of them, my dreams on the horizon. If it wasn't for my fans, I wouldn't be who I am. They pushed me out the nest, I just happened to fly. Damn, just think about this shit, make me wanna cry, man. This didn't work, I'd be in the hood getting high, man. But now I'm right here, spitting these rhymes, fam. Started from the bottom, now I'm chilling in the highlands. So thank you to my fans for doing what you do. Swear to God, y'all couple years of making my dream come true. And when it do, don't worry, cause what's gonna come to you? Duffel bag full of hundreds, little gift from me to you. That's the least that I can do. Y'all did it for me, so I'ma make all that money. Let y'all spend it for me, cause the last thing I need is a pocket full of money. When I know there's families in my city that are hungry, that's why they love me. And all these other rappers hate me. I'm the only MC that wouldn't let the money make me. I followed my dreams, didn't care where it take me. Look, trying to find out the money was chasing me. And that's funny, cause everyone chasing it, but not wits, nah, not a piece of paper's bitch. Yeah, cause more to life than trying to be rich. I've made millions off this rap shit, I ain't never made a cent. And that's real shit, and that's a real wits. And if you